Welcome to Riad la Cigale, here in the heart of Marrakesh in the Medina, where you have choice for single beds, double beds, and breakfast in the morning. They can prepare dinners for you, help you with airport transfers. Very helpful staff here. Let's go see the rooms. So this room has 2 double beds, and it's also got air conditioning and heating, which is really important. This one I'm sitting on right now turns into the 3rd bed if you have a larger party with you. Nice things about this place is that there are hats you can borrow in the summer when the heat is unbearable for some, or perhaps the sleep masks and the free complimentary water. Everything you need is here. Very comfortable, and if you forgot anything, they're more than happy to help you out with that. So I'm in the bathroom right now of our double room with the extra bed. So one of the most important things for me is always the bathroom. One great thing about this one is it has a solid door that closes. It also has bathrobes and little slippers, a hairdryer in case you forgot yours. There's also lock boxes, and just imagine getting into the shower. Like, how fun is that? We're in another double room, but this one has 1 big bed opposed to the 2 twin beds. It also has the convertible 3rd bed and another private bathroom. So all the feature comforts of home. So if you don't have a 3rd person with you, then this room is just a lounge living room area. You can chill out on the couch and then sit over here and write a letter home telling about your adventures. And if you're on a budget, there is a room here to accommodate that as well. This room has 2 bunk beds and is about half the price of the other room. It still includes the bathrobes and everything else. Hot water 24 hours a day, super clean bathroom, and then you can have a longer vacation at half the cost. Another amazing thing here is that there is an in-house hammam. So you lather yourself up with black soap, and then there's a lady who scrubs all the dead skin off of you. You don't have to go out to do it, you just go downstairs. And last place on this tour is the Rooftop Terrace, a great place to enjoy your morning coffee, have a suntan, get some fresh air, listen to the call for prayers, or just look at the beautiful city. I hope you visit Marrakesh and enjoy a stay at a riad.